So this is going to be my last video of this year. I cannot believe that 2021 is ending. Like, where did the time fly? I'm still stuck in 2020 and here we are about to enter 22. And I thought before this year ends, let's just do a tiny recap of what all has happened with me this year. I think it has to be my birthday. We were just coming out of the second wave, which is like a whole other question, so we'll talk about that later. But I had actually zero plans because obviously we were all in quarantine, we were all in lockdown, so there were no plans. But somehow I ended up getting a few surprises from my friends, and it just turned to be a very wholesome day. And considering I had no plans, that was one of the best day of the year for me. Also, I've spent 2 birthdays in this damn lockdown, so fingers crossed for 2022. I hope we don't have to celebrate our birthdays in another lockdown. God, please. Biggest purchase. Oh, wait. We have to add an ASMR moment in my video, like duh, but it has to be my phone. I got this for myself at the start of this year with my own money. This is my first iPhone. This is the iPhone 11, and buying it with my own money was extra special for me, and I had to pay its EMI for a few months. I bought it on EMI. Okay, this was something really new that I dabbled my foot on, and if you don't know, Dee's Closet is my own Instagram thrift store. And obviously I am not from a business background. I am an engineering student. I have done engineering, so there is no like relation with business. And although it is a very small business, still I had to learn a lot of new things. So the experience so far has been really good, but I have to say I learn new things with every drop, and there are so many things that go behind these e-commerce thingies, and I have so much respect for every small business, every Insta store, every like big e-commerce site, because this work is actually quite taxing. Also, I really enjoy the concept of thrifting. It's very sustainable and one of the best ways to shop in the current scenario, and I want to normalize it more. I want to shop more from thrift stores in 2022 and even grow my own thrift store bigger, because it's a very sustainable way, as I said before. And yeah, thrifting is cool, guys. Thrifting is cool. Can you even guess? I mean, I'm pretty sure the answer is going to be same for every person who's watching this video, or literally every person in India, because it is definitely the second wave, like the second COVID wave wala time. That was the most stressful, anxious, overwhelming time for everyone. We are still recovering from this situation, and I pray to God that there is no like third wave or the same thing does not repeat itself. So guys, please, like, stay safe, please wear masks, please make sure that your family is safe, and yeah, we don't want the history to repeat itself. Biggest milestone of this year. I'm not going to lie, I expected a few more things to happen by the end of this year, but well, they have not, so let's not talk about that. But I think it can be hitting 20k, because obviously we are a family of 20k, or like 23, 24k, whatever the number is right now, with a family of that, so that's amazing, yay. But it can also be moving into this space, like creating this studio for myself, this new living space for myself. And the fact that I designed it on my own, creating every little corner, designing different rooms, it was amazing. It was a really good experience, and the designing is still going on because it's not complete. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, check out this video. And if you love like home decor or you know, like room decoration kind of things, I'll link all the videos related to this space in the description bar. Check them out. I don't think I can answer that. My favorite video. And each video that I create, it's like a baby for me. I am so passionate about like video creation, content creation, editing. You guys already know I am an editing geek. I love to learn new stuff, and I like to implement new things in almost every video. So I don't think I can choose a favorite video this month. Like the entire December, every video that went up has been a personal favorite of mine. Be it the topic, be it the entire packaging of the video, or the editing and the song selection, everything. And there's so much that goes behind making a video, and I get excited every time I sit to edit a video and I think of a new concept and everything like that. So yeah, there are so many videos. My birthday video actually was really good because I did not plan to vlog with something, but I put together an entire video with random bits and pieces and random clips, so I really like that. I actually have like a major period of time when I felt like a piece of shit, to be very frank here. It was, I think, September, October, November, like that period of this year. That was the worst, like the freaking worst for me. I was the most demotivated that I had been in my entire YouTube career, the entirety that I have been on YouTube. I used to tell my friends that I am not motivated at all. There was literally a time when I thought that maybe I should quit YouTube. And if you have seen my past videos or you're following me for a long time, you would know that like after I was done with my college, I started YouTube instead of going for a job that I was placed in, because I'm that passionate about YouTube. I left everything to start YouTube, literally without getting paid from YouTube for like an year and a half or something like that. So that's just how passionate I am about this. But there was a moment when I was like, maybe I took the wrong decision. But then ठीक है, I'm feeling better now. I feel like I am feeling motivated these days, which I think shows in my content also, especially in the past month. So I think ऐसे ups and downs तो आते रहते हैं. I watched Office this year and I know I'm so late to the party, but I binge watched it and it was amazing. So Office and Witcher का season 2 आया इस बार, अभी दिसंबर में आया था. I binge watched it in like a day or two. I love Witcher. Oh my god, Henry Cavill in Witcher is his dream come true. So that is another really good show that I watched this year. Favorite book? I did read a lot of books this year, so I'm really happy about that. That was one of my not resolution. I don't do new resolutions, but one of my thing for this year that I want to read more. And I think like especially in the first 9 months, मैंने बहुत ही books पढ़ी हैं. इस बीच इतना नहीं पढ़ी. But okay, one of my favorites, which is lying right there actually, is Good Vibes, Good Life by Vex King. And I have always been like a major big time fiction person, and I used to run away literally from non-fiction novels, but now I've started reading them, and this one is one of my favorite books ever. Favorite brand this year to shop clothing from specifically has to be hands down H&M. Oh my god, I've shopped so much from H&M this year. Fuck. But I love their collection and the kind of clothing and collection they have. It totally matches with my personal style. तो बहुत easy होता है उसमें अपने लिए कपड़े ढूंढना, and it's very efficient shopping because I quickly find clothes for myself. Although sometimes I overshop, but okay, let's not talk about that. Favorite item of clothing? Blazers. For sure. I was obsessed with blazers this entire year, and I'm taking that obsession with me to the next year as well, because I'm still like not over blazers. I'm not going to get over them anytime soon. So I've been loving blazers. Baggy jeans, 90s jeans, they are my newfound love. And I think with that I should end this video because I want to make it like very short, and already मैंने बहुत देर से film कर रही हूँ, बहुत बकवास कर ली है. So yeah guys, that's it for the last video of 2021. Now I'll see you again next year in 2022, and I do have to make like a small announcement. So I will be taking a break of like 2 or 3 videos at the start of this year, next year at the start of 2022, because I want to just reassess some things. I want to reevaluate. I want to take a break basically and come up with better content for you. So I'll be taking like a break of one and a half week. Let's see. I might still post on Instagram, and I have been posting a lot on Instagram in the past month or so. So make sure you follow me there. This is my handle. Okay, now before ending the video, let's do one final question of the day, because well, we have to do it. It's a ritual here. So the question of the day is, do you have any New Year resolutions? And if you do, what is it? Or if it's not a resolution, what new habits or things are you going to incorporate in your life in 2022? Answer that in the comments, and have an amazing new year and an amazing end to 2021 first, and then a really good start to 2022. I hope you all watching this video have the best 2022 ever, and I hope our community grows bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger in 2022. And that's it. One final goodbye before 21 ends, and now I'll see you next year in the year 2022. Bye guys, I love you.
So where you wanna go? Let's see it all. Selfies on the Great Wall, maybe the Taj Mahal. Hey, we could stay out late after dark, take a gamble in Monaco. We could swim with the sharks.